Before you begin, remove the access panel. Removal. Loosen the T8 Torx head screw that secures the solid-state drive assembly to the chassis and allow it to release to the spring tension position. Grasp the solid-state drive assembly by the edges and pull gently to remove it from its slot on the system board. Remove the screw from the solid-state drive. To release the heatsink hooks, press each of them in and then pull out in the following order: 1, 2, 3, 4. Remove the heatsink from the SSD. Remove the SSD from the SSD bracket. Replacement. Place the SSD onto the thermal pad on the SSD bracket. Place the heatsink onto the SSD. Secure the heatsink hooks in the following order: 1, 2, 3, 4. Place the screw onto the solid-state drive. Align the notch in the solid-state drive with the key in the slot on the system board and insert the solid-state drive. Press the solid-state drive assembly down and tighten the T8 Torx head screw that secures the solid-state drive assembly to the chassis.